All right, welcome back to Adobe Premiere Pro for Beginners, the series. And in today's video, we're gonna export our video. We're finally gonna finalize it. So go ahead and give yourself a round of applause. You made it. Okay, let's just get to it. There are two ways to do this. There is the formal way of going over to, not edit, we're gonna go over to File, then we're gonna go down to Export. From there, it'll be the first option, Media, but I always like to hit Control M. As you can see there, this is the shortcut, Control M, and then you'll have this window pop up. Now, I've heard from some people, hey, I see MP3, but I don't see MP4 or what is going on? Don't fear, here we go. For format, you're gonna click on that, and this is where you need to go to H.264, right? Once you click there, you're gonna have all of these options for video. Now, you may benefit from just doing the basic match source high bitrate. This saves you a lot of space if you have a big file, or you can go ahead and export all the way here to high quality 1080p. I'm going to click on that, and that is it. Go ahead and change your output name, because that's going to change what file it goes to. And then you're going to go ahead down here and click export. Since this is a shorter clip, it exported, and that is it. That's how you export your clip, your project, I should say, from Premiere Pro and onto your desktop.